So now we are with the 12.1 seventh question, simplify. This is probably the last question of this exercise. So let us see 12.1 last problem. Again we have to use the inverse property. अगर वो minus में है तो take it down. So in this way we will solve. Just see it. 25 can be written as 5 square. So I can write 5 square multiplied by t to the power minus 4. So now this t to the power minus 4 can come down because it is in negative, the inverse. So inverse है तो that will become t to the power 4. Correct. Now this 5 is in inverse, तो इसको ऊपर लेके जाओ and become 5 to the power 3. This also inverse, ऊपर लेके जाओ, that will become t to the power 8. Correct. And then hence what I left 10. 10 can be written as 5 into 2. Why I have written this you will come to know afterwards. Now make sure that you understand the steps what I did. This particular problem is in fraction, something upon something like that. Okay, so whichever values are there in the numerator में जो भी नेगेटिव वैल्यूज है उसको हम नीचे लेके आएंगे. Since it was t to the power minus 4 नेगेटिव था, so we have taken this down. और डिनोमिनेटर में जो भी नेगेटिव वैल्यूज है we will take them up. So denominators में minus 5 to the power minus 3 and t to the power minus 8 was there. We took this ऊपर लेके गए. ठीक है. So that is what is being done in this step. Alright. So after this, what we are going to do? Now we are going to see the identity. A to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. जब multiplication होता है base में, the addition will be there in the powers. So this is kind of that. So we'll do that. See, I am doing it long by doing some more steps. That is why it will go quite big. If when you will become perfectionist in solving using the identities, you also can solve it very quickly. But these are required steps कि जिससे हमको समझेगा problem. So now this is your a to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. Correct? So this identity we are going to use here. 5 to the power 2 plus 3 multiplied by t to the power 8 as it is. T to the power 4 into 5 into 2 as it is. Correct? Okay. Now what? Again, this I have to take it up. Correct? This I have to take it up. Now what I will do? 5 to the power 2 plus 3, that is 5. Now this and this are same. If you can directly cancel. ये नीचे 4 है. T to the power 4 means what? T 4 times. T to the power 8 means what? T 8 times. So if I cut this, I have to cut this and I left with 4 powers. So therefore this will become T to the power 4. Okay. Then now what I left? 5 up multiplied by 2. Now 5 here only one time and here 5 times. So if I cut this one time, so here left with 4 times. So answer will be 5 to the power 4 multiplied by t to the power 4 upon 2. If you solve this, 5 to the power 4, 5 to the power 4 means 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 is like 4 times. So 125 again into 5. So this will become 625 upon 2 t to the power 4. This will be the answer of this particular question. Just repeat this. I can show you in the short way also. In another video, I will make this particular problem in a short way so that you can understand why I have went through this complete long way. Otherwise, you can just cancel this here. 5 power 2. So this can cancel directly. This also can cancel and you can solve it very easily. But to understand the steps, to understand the properties, identities, I have made it. Now I'll drop this. You can note it down. I'll go for this problem. Again the same thing. Inverse वाले नीचे लाओ, ऊपर लेके जाओ. If you are expert, you can directly also cancel. But then why to take chance? We will solve it step by step. So I can start it from here. Inverse वाले नीचे, बाकी ऊपर. So this 5 to the power minus 7 is there. We will take them up. 5 to the power plus 7. 3 to the power minus 5 is there, we can take them down. 3 to the power 5. 10 is in negative, that can be come down. 10 to the power 5. 6 to the power inverse can be go up, become positive. Now 125 is left, correct? So from this step we came to this step. Now first of all, there are certain digits, that is 125, that can be converted into power. This 10 also can be converted into 5 into 10, that we have done. So 5 to the power 7 into 6 to the power 5 can be written as 3 into 2. तो मैंने 6 को बेस को तोड़ दिया, तो ऊपर जो पावर है वो भी यहाँ पे लग जाएगा. 5 5 multiplied by 125 can be written as 5 cube. Then these things are as it is. Again, as if I have done 6, I have written 6 as this 3 into 2. So like that 10 also can be written as 5 into 2. But what about the powers? The power also will distribute it 5 like this. Now it become easy for all of you. Whew. So now this is 5 to the power 7, this is 5 to the power 5. If you can directly cancel, ये 5 बार है, 5 times it is there, it is 7 times. So I can cut this, I can cut this, यहाँ पे बचा 2 times. So 5 to the power 2, correct? Here 3 is 5 times, here 3 is 5 times. So this can cancel directly, correct? This 2 5 times, 2 5 times can be cancelled directly. Now what I left? 5 to the power 3, correct? A to the power m, a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n is equals to 5 to the power 2 plus 3, 5. That can be solved as 5 to the power 5 will be 5 cube 125, 625, 1225 I suppose. We'll just calculate this. 5 into 5 into 5, that's 125. 125 multiplied by 25 of 5, 625 into 5, 3125, sorry, 3125. So this will be the perfect answer for your particular question. You can just calculate that again one more time. 5 to the power 5 is 625, 5 is a 5 is a 25, 5 2 is a 10, 12, 2, 31, 5 6 is a 30, 131. 3125 is the correct answer. So in this way you can solve. Thank you.